Hey guys, what is up? My name is Gigi, for those that don't know. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you guys are OGs, welcome back. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post and give me a thumbs up. That just lets me know that you guys are loving my content. So, yeah. So, by the title of this tutorial, you guys already know what I'm going to talk about. Period. This is super cute. I hope you guys like this. I did a wing off camera though, so if you guys want to see how I do my wings, let me know. I'll be glad to do it. But yeah, so I'm gonna be reviewing Glamlite's Foodie box. You guys, I'm ready to tell you guys right now, in love with everything. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, this is the look that I created. Then just keep on watching. All right, babes. So as you guys saw on the intro, I'm gonna be reviewing the new Glamlite Foodie box, and this is like their holiday one. It's so cute. Look at this box. It's adorable. Like, her packaging, everything is just amazing. Okay, so first thing is first, it does come with a candy cane trio, and it's just their brushes. So these are their brushes. I already used the middle one, so it's sturdy, but it's so good. It's like a packing brush. Oh, and then these lashes right here that I'm wearing, they're called, what are they called? Gingerbread lash, and they're super cute. They are cruelty free and vegan. We love that. So this is the packaging. How cute. I love it. And there's a liquid lipstick. It's a red velvet liquid lipstick. And let me see what it's called. It's just called red velvet, right? Yeah, red velvet. So the life shelf on that is 12 months. Cruelty free as well. Vegan. And the packaging, it looks like this right here. Super cute. If you guys know me for a long time, you guys know that I always wear nude lips. But I'm really intrigued on wearing this one. If you guys have been wanting me to change my lippy, I think this is going to be it. It looks like that. Mirror. It does have a little mirror. When you put your liquid lipstick on, you have a little mirror right there. So that's cute. I like that. It smells so good. I love it. Comes with another lippy, and this one is eggnog, and this one's a lip gloss. This is the packaging for this one. Super cute. This is what this one looks, and it also has a mirror. They're like a triangle. You see that? So this is it. Super cute. Very cute color. It's pretty, I'm thinking it smells the same. Oh no. I think it's supposed to smell like eggnog. It smells good. So then we have one more lippy, and this is called pecan pie. Look, it looks like this. I feel like she puts so much thought into her packaging. It's just gorgeous. So this one's just a regular lippy. The shape is just like a regular one. And this one, I think this is a liquid lipstick. I want to say, hold on one second. Gorgeous. Oh, it's a gloss. Okay, I think this is a gloss. Yeah, it's a gloss. Smells like sweet. Looks like that. So then the next thing is the Glamlite Cookies and Milk. It's a highlighter. Look at how cute. So I'm going to open it real quick. So it comes like this. Looks like that. Okay, look at how cute that is. I can't wait to put it on. It's a loose highlighter. And then the star of the show. Oh my god, I'm so happy. It's the pie. It's the Glamlite pie. Look at pie palette. Look at how cute. It comes in a little box, like a pie box, kind of like this. You open it like that. Let me get it out. Hold on. So the packaging is so cute. So the red part is like, you can hear it. It's glittery. And then the other part is like, you know, squishy soft. So it does come with a mirror right here. So let me show you guys up close. This is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. These are like purples, pinks, and a little bit of brown, you know, like neutral shades. But this is so pretty. I love it. I think the middle shade is a blush. I'm not sure though. Oh yeah, it's a blush. It says blush. So I feel like it has everything you need, you know? So I like that. So we're going to create this look. I just did like it's like a pink with orangey and then purple right here. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So priming my eyes with my P. Louise and Mama Mitchell Blank Canvas Primer. Packing that all over. This shade is going to be called Mixed Berry. So I'm packing mixed berry all over the lid, and I'm taking her brush for Candy Cane Little Trio, and then I'm taking my Morphe M507 brush to pack on the pumpkin shade, kind of to just blend out mixed berry. And yeah, I really like this color. I kind of want to do a look with pumpkin next. So now I'm going to be using my NYX glitter primer just to get the most pigment, even though her shadows are, girl, her shimmers are the best shimmers I've ever tried. And this shade is called Blueberry. And I'm just packing that all over, like halfway. Well, just kidding, most of it. Then I decided to do like a halo eye. I was like, wait, let me do a halo eye. So I put mixed berry and pumpkin on the outer parts of my eyes. And then I just kept blending it out until I was satisfied. So yeah, I'm just really making sure it's blended, packing on pumpkin, and then kind of going back and forth with the shades. Now to end the look, I did a wing and then I applied the gingerbread lashes. I think these lashes are so pretty. Alright, loves, so I finished the whole look off camera. I am obsessed, you guys. You guys already know I always say this. I crack up because it's true. Like, I am obsessed. Like, I love her palettes and everything. I'm never disappointed, like I already always tell you guys. When it comes to Glamlite, like, she don't play around. Like, trust. Like, her stuff is amazing. Packaging is on point. Girl, product is popping. So if you guys want to try this, I give it a 10 out of 10. The Foodie boxes, I'll let you guys know how much it costs right now. 1 second real quick. Hold on. Okay, so the Foodie box, the value of it is $105. But it's on sale right now. So if you guys want to try it out, go get it. It is $45. And you get a bunch of stuff. Like, I don't understand. Like, that's cheap for everything that you get. A palette, 3 lippies, a highlighter. Let's try out the highlighter on camera, you guys, because you guys already know I'm super excited to try this out. Let me just find my brush. So I could tell, like, a little goes a long way. Like, girl, hold on. Do you guys see that? Like always, I did put another one on. So if you guys saw like highlight on, is because I put those little drops. These are Cover FX drops, and I put them on before my highlight. Super poppin', like this highlighter is very pretty. It looks like wet. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's so pretty. So I give it a 10 out of 10, you guys. Don't miss out on this Foodie box. It's perfect for the holidays. You can do a bunch of looks. I just did purple because you guys already know I love like purples and oranges and stuff. Like, I have nothing bad to say. I love it, and I hope you guys get your hands on it. But yeah. So again, I love you guys so much. If you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. That just lets me know that you guys are loving my content and you guys want to see more of me. So I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.